Hi all, this is Nidhi here. So in my last class, I have discussed the budget line with you all. Now in this class, I am going to discuss budget set and changes in the budget line. Before that, let us take a short recap of budget line. Budget line is a line showing different combinations of two goods that a consumer can buy with his given income and given prices of both the goods. Anywhere on the budget line, consumer is spending his entire income either on good X or on good Y or on both the goods. Clear? Coming to budget set. Budget set refers to attainable combinations of a set of two goods that consumer can afford to buy. That means these are the budget set, also known as the combinations that consumer can buy with his given income, and also consumer can buy those combinations which comes under the budget line. Clear? Now suppose consumer has rupees 3000 in his pocket. Clear? So with that he went to market and he liked the good worth rupees 1000. Will he afford to buy that good? Yes, because it comes under his budget. The price is less than his income, so he can afford to buy that good worth rupees 1000. So it comes under his budget set. Clear? Now the difference between the budget line and the budget set. The budget line equation includes that spending on good X plus spending on good Y must be equal to income. That means all points showing that spending must be equal to income. Means spending, kharcha, that means spending must be equal to income. All points showing that spending must be equal to income. Whatever a consumer is spending, it must be equal to his income. It cannot be more or it cannot be less than his income. It must be equal to his income. Clear? Budget set equation includes that spending on good X plus spending on good Y must be less than or equal to income. That means he can spend less than income or also equals to income. Means his spending, consumer spending must be less than or equal to income. Now budget set is also known as the budget constraint. Why? Because it shows the limit. It shows the limit, that is the constraint up to which consumer can buy a set of two goods. Clear? Set of two goods with his given income. Clear? Again I am saying budget set is also known as the budget constraint. Constraint means that there is a limit up to which the consumer can buy a set of two goods with his given income. Beyond his budget line, beyond his budget set, he cannot buy is because his income is fixed and he cannot buy more than that. So budget constraint means there is a limit that consumer can buy a set of two goods with his given income. Clear? So budget set that I have discussed. Now the budget line and the budget set, the basic difference is what? Now see, in the budget line includes only such combinations. Budget line includes only such combinations of two goods given the prices on which the actual spending by the consumer must be equal to income. Actual spending by the consumer must be equal to income. Clear? Budget set includes all such combinations of two goods given the prices on which actual spending must be equal to or less than income. Clear? Now, this is the budget line and the budget set. Many times a question has been asked in your board that what leads to a change in the budget set. Always remember that budget set depends on what? Depends on the consumer's income, because whatever the income is there, you will just manage with your budget only that. So budget set depends on the income of the consumer and prices of the goods. If any of this variable change, it leads to a change in the budget set. Clear? Now second question is, why AB is known as the budget line? Why? AB is known as the budget line because given the consumer's income, consumer spend his income either on good X or on good Y, or other possible combinations he can also buy. So each point indicating combinations of two goods that a consumer can buy with his given income and given prices of both the goods. Clear this much? Now changes in the budget line. Shall I rub this? Now let us understand the changes in the budget line. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Okay. Now see here, BL is the budget line, also known as the price line. Clear? Here OB in the vertical axis indicating maximum units of Y can be purchased with the given income. OL indicating maximum unit of X that can be purchased with the given income. Clear this much? Now suppose price of good X, this is good X and this is good Y. Now price of good X rises, price of good X is rupees 10 per unit and price of good Y rupees 5 per unit. Suppose income of the consumer is rupees 50. Clear? Now how many units of Y and how many units of X can be purchased with the given income? Now see how many units of good X can be purchased. My income is rupees 50 and the price of good X is rupees 10. That means 5 units of good X I can purchase. Clear? Now good Y. My income is rupees 50 and the price of good Y is rupees 10. So I can purchase the 10 units of maximum. 10 units of good Y I can purchase. Clear? So suppose that the price of good X falls down from 10 to 5 per unit. If price of good X falls down from 10 to 5, other things remains the same. That is price of good Y rupees 5 per unit and the income is rupees 50 same. Only price of good X falls from 10 to 5. Now what will be how much quantity of X I can purchase after that? Now see how much quantity of good X I can purchase. 50 divided by 5 is, that means 10 units of X I can purchase. Now what happens when the price of good X falls? I can purchase the maximum unit, that is 10. Previously I was purchasing how much units of X? 5 only. Now when the price of good X falls down, I am purchasing the 10 units of X. That means my budget line will rotate to the right, because first we were purchasing this much amount of X. Now when the price of X fallen down, I can purchase more unit of X. That means here, so my budget line will rotate to the right. That means L1. So now I can purchase, starting from the y-axis, my budget line will rotate to the right and I can purchase the maximum unit of X is that is 10 units. This much is clear. Now what happens when price of Y falls down? Other things remains the same. See, now when price of Y falls down, price of good Y falls down, then what happened? Where my budget line will rotate? My budget line will rotate to the right. My budget line will rotate to the right because now my price of Y is falling down and I will purchase more unit of Y. So my budget line will start from the x-axis and will rotate to the right. Here I am very bad in drawing. Please do it nicely. So my new budget line will be this one, BL. Previously what I was purchasing the OBE units of Y. Now when the price of good Y falls down, I am purchasing the more units of Y, that is BL. Clear this much? My budget line will shift to the right and will start from the X axis. When price of good X falls down, my budget line will rotate to the right and will start from the Y axis. Clear this much? Now, what happens when changes in the budget line? That means when price of one good increases. See, when price of one good increases, what happens? You just say as a consumer, what will be your behavior when price of good rises? Will you buy more units or less units when prices of one good rise? No. What happens when prices of one good rises? Budget line becomes steeper and consumer tends to buy less unit of that good which price has been increased. Here you see AB is the budget line. This is good X and consumer, this is good Y. And consumer were previously buying OB units of good X. When price of good X rises, consumer now buying the less unit of Y, and my budget line will shift to the left starting from the Y axis. That is OC amount. Now consumer will buy this much amount of good X. Why? Because the price of good X has been rising. So consumer will shift towards the left and starting from the Y axis, and consumer will buy OC amount of good X. Clear? Now what happened when price of good Y rises? Now see. Now what happened when price of good rises? Tell me, this is good X and this is good Y. So when price of good Y rises, my budget line will rotate to the left, obviously, is not it? So my budget line will rotate to the left and it start from the X axis. Yeah. Yeah. So previously I was buying the OA units of good Y, but as the price of good Y rises, consumer tends to buy less unit of good Y. So my new budget line will be this. Clear? So this is my new budget line will be A1B. Now this is the changes in the budget line. I hope it is clear to you all. If there is any problem or any query, if you have, please write it in my comment box, and please like and subscribe my channel. And in the next class, I am going to discuss more in the budget line. Thank you.